What up, YouTube, man? Oodie Oo back again with another video. Today is going to be a bit different. Today we're going to try to like vlog the day rather than having a set topic for the video. So for the most part, we're going to hit the exhaust shop first and then see where the day takes us from there, because your boy got an exhaust leak. Stay tuned. Hit up my guys, you know what I'm saying, over here at Espinosa Muffler Shop. You know, hit them up, you know. Yeah, basically, I came to diagnose my, my exhaust leak, but I was like, F it, I might as well get an X-pipe. So, that's what I'm getting. I'm getting an X-pipe. So, I run to the bank to get some cash and back to get that X-pipe. Okay, guys, we're getting the X-pipe, like, right here. And then we'll get the stock resonators to the A-cement exhaust, obviously. You know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, these picked up motors because friend's motor blew. I'll tell you a story later, but this shit, bro, they said they're about to carry it over there. Should I help?
Nah, wait for Gizmo.
Okay, Gizmo? I guess that's neighbor down there.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, now I see the vision.
Sorry.
Oh.
Gang.
Okay, now for the story for friend's car. You want to tell them the story? What happened
Okay, so
to the car, bro?
the car would always hit limit at like at 5K, and then Gavin eventually tuned it and like raised the rev limiter. Then me and Alex were going to Ontario one night, and then we were beating the shit out of it. I think we were hitting like 150 around there, 7K, and then fucking we got off the freeway and started knocking. We got to JM. Yeah, it sounded like a trans. It sounded like a trans.
So.
And then it started knocking, and we knocked even worse when we got to JM, and then we drove it home and sent the rod through the fucking block. It was doing good. I'll send you the video, but it was doing great.
Yeah, we're gonna insert the video in the next clip.
Only with rod knock, bro. Me and my senior rod knock.
My car when it got rod knocked, it was dead. Like when we were racing, it was,
Oh yeah,
it was
bro.
slow.
I remember that.
Yeah,
bro. I think I took out the video.
You know.
Bro, I was like, bro, it's just knocking. You're like, I'll call it.
It's cool.
Alright, we're gonna see how long it takes them to swap the motor. You know what I'm saying? We'll keep track of it. Stay tuned. Alright, so the motor's basically ready to come out. Whole front end's taken apart. You guys still got the motor mount? Oh no, it took off.
No, the bolts already off on both sides. So. Oh, it just comes off.
We're ready to come out. Okay, man, I left. I came back, but you got the motor out, and you want to explain to the people what happened?
Well, I don't know what the fuck happened here. I thought it snapped, but that shit fucking bent.
What Miles say is like a fucking lowercase y now?
Yeah, lowercase y.
Bro.
But like we literally just fucking pulled it out.
Bro, nigga. Bro. Savage. Yeah, it didn't like 7K. Alright, my guy Gavin's finna show me, you know what I'm saying, what driver mod's supposed to look like, you feel me? And his, call it the party car. Oh, it's hot as hell. Alright, man. Oh, shit. Damn, look at my dog in here flexing. Anyway.
The little pops.
Yeah, like it's trying to. That window don't work? Yeah. E36 problems. Show us what the driver mod talking about. what to do again, part 2. Oh fuck. My head.
My dog got that garagistics chassis mount shifter in this joint. Let me get myself one of these. Yeah, I need one of those ASAP.
You got it? Oh, fuck, this was spilling. Oh, this was spilling. Dude. Brandon. Wrecked stuff. Damn. This motor did not like 7K, bro. Dude. You straight sent this.
No oil pump nut, it backed out.
Oh, that's why you guys gonna like do like the little wire thing?
This thing right here. The hole, that's down.
What?
See all the marks when it's spinning around.
Damn. Damn, y'all. Sheesh. Well, on to the next one. Okay, so basically this fool just told me to hop in. Oh shit, damn, I didn't bring my ring light. Give me some light. Fucking, he just told me to hop in as I pulled up. And I don't know what I'm hopping into, but we're gonna see what's about to happen. What's going on? I don't know. Damn, what's that shit shaking? Damn, bro. Camera's dirty.
3, 2, 1.
What the fuck? Alright, man, we're about to head to this meet over here. You know what I'm saying? On the next city over. You know what I'm saying? We got all the peeps ready. So I'll get some freeway shots of everybody's whip. So stay tuned.